Joshua Carino, cycling was never just a sport. It was a way of life passed down through generations. Growing up in Pangasinan, he and his brother built a name for themselves in the local scene known as the Carino Brothers.
Kaya na yung Carino Brothers kasi dalawa kaming naglalaro. Ilang beses din na nanalo kami na 1 in 2 na magkapatid. So parang in-embrace namin yung as brother. Kaya naging Carino Brother.
Side by side, they raced, trained, and dreamed. And cycling was never far from home, with roots embedded in their family and community.
Kasi siyempre, sikat ang cycling sa Pangasinan. Mga tsuhin namin is dati ding kampiyon sa pagbabike. Hanggang sa naging siklista ako, nawili na rin yung kapatid ko. So, dalawa na kami naglalaro na nakikipag-race.
In 2018, Joshua reached the peak of his career, winning the Le Tour de Filipinas and proving he belonged among the country's best. In 2023, he stepped away from competition, leaving the pro scene and taking a different path. After years away, the call to race was too strong to ignore.
Actually last year gusto kong sumali pero late yung preparation ko. Kasi biglaan na lang din yung Tour of Luzon na pag-uwi ko, gusto kong sumali pero wala nang time para mag-ensayo. So sabi ko next year na lang.
Now, he returns for his last dance, riding for the Pangasinan cycling team in the MPTC Tour of Luzon 2026.
Ito na yung last ko eh. Kumbaga, last dance ko na sa cycling to. So, retiring ko na rin. Ngayon parang di ko alam kung special kasi wala siya eh. Kumbaga, mag-isa ko lang na, gusto ko sana na dalawa kami ulit na kung sakaling manalo ulit.
As the MPTC Tour of Luzon 2026 unfolds, riders will face a longer and more grueling 14-stage course. The race, set from April 29 to May 13, is expected to push every competitor to their limits.